This is my video for the July 30th, 2016 pistol caliber anything match at Rio Salado Sportsman's Club. The match featured a couple different USPSA pistol divisions, pistol caliber carbine division, and full auto submachine gun division. I competed with my SIG MPX non-NFA version, continuing to test the Arms DMR Trigger and 45-degree selector in this gun. I spoke with a few other competitors at the range and some other shooters online that are using the DMR Trigger in their MPXs without issue. Mine continue to run fine today. I used the Fiocchi 124 grain full metal jacket ammo. Both groups well and cycles reliably out of the MPX. I have switched to the Trijicon MRO with absolute co-witness mount. It just sits at a better height in relation to the collapsible stock that's currently on the gun. The match today was the first opportunity I had to do reloads on the clock. The big funneled flared magwell of the MPX was a definite advantage there, making reloads relatively effortless.
Nicely done. If you're finished, unload and show clear. Shooting, man. The pistol caliber anything match was a lot of fun. I did see a number of other PCC shooters at the event, and I do think this format lends itself well to novices so they can experience what an action shooting match is like without the inherent difficulty of using a pistol.